Okay.
But anything in between. But,
you can separate this then.
oh yeah. And let me see if I can show you underneath here. Yeah, right here is the plug.
Gotcha.
And what we do is, and the nice thing here is you can do a small piece, as simple or as complicated as you want it. In the beginning, I'd start simple because you build skill. And then, and when I mean simple, I'm saying this one's pretty simple. It's just a switch on each end, and the two tracks go through. But that one right over there is simple.
Wow.
Look at this one. Not gonna get much simpler than this.
Okay.
One switch, and okay. But all the skills you need if you want to build anything else, most of them are already here.
Wow.
And
but how do you do this type of scenery to make it?
You know, have you seen the foam they sell like at Home Depot, 4x8 sheets, pink or blue for insulation?
No, I haven't, but I could probably look.
Yeah, well, anyway, that's what they use. And what we do is, the way this is built is there's a small wooden framework around the perimeter, screwed and glued together, and then we cut a piece of plywood the same size. Put that on there, and then the foam goes on top of that.
Okay.
And so the foam you can buy at 1 inch, 2 inch, or 3 inches thick, but this time we just use 1 inch. And so we always put 1 inch here.
1 inch.
And that way, if we want to sculpt this edge a little bit, we can. But if you want to leave it straight, then you'll see some straight.
Hey, Frank, you know how to build this stuff?
And then over here, they just stacked them together, glued them together, and then they took a rasp or something and shaped them and go from there. They laid the track, and then they added the mountain stuff around. So, you know, there's nothing, it's not rocket science, but you just got, and there's all sorts of videos out on the internet of how to do it. There's one called Thunder Mesa, and the guy's down in Arizona, and he has probably 50 or 60 things showing you how to do it. How do you make a tree?
How do you make a tree? How do you make it?
Yeah, he tells you how to do all that stuff. And he shows you how to do the foam stuff and how to mount your track. I would recommend those videos. They're free. You can just go on...
well, I'm waiting for his brother's layout. I have somebody that wants to give me their layout.
Yeah, he used to have a beautiful setup,
I used to have a beautiful setup.
Yeah. It happens.
Wow.
You know, I have... I've got trains of every size and shape.
Right on.
The guys around here call me a rubber gauger because I change scales whenever I feel like it. And when I say that, I really mean it. I have N gauge, HO, S, O, G.
I had N scale, NHO, and 9L.
Yeah, well, I have G, O,
Nice setup, huh?
Nice.
What a beauty.
It's a beauty.
We set it up, it's different.
Yeah.
It's a beauty.
First time I've been up here to see it. You know, we usually go down town and see they have the Christmas trains down there. And they have the old gate. And a few little bit of
We come here usually once a year. The only way to redo it is just like I didn't bring my monitor.
Continue on video 3 on Saturday. Rode my e-bike over here, the Velatrack Discover 1. On Saturday, April 12, 2025.
Bloods. Bloods. Yeah. Aldo. Bloods are the nice, good. The money number 3. They're still wooden bloods. If we need a pile of beer for hair count, we can laser them up. I think that only has
Well, Wade, I finally went to a train show, Wade. Continue on video 3 on Saturday. Nice sunny and warm day on April 12, 2025. Let's go see what Frank's up to.
He decided eventually we were going to make little buddies, and he said, we'll buy a computer bag. So I went on Amazon, bought the Amazon Basic.
We're at Roaring Camp. We're at Roaring Camp, Wade.
Transit option.
But that's always hard to do.
Yeah.
Particularly on some issues like that.
Look at this tree. Isn't it beautiful, huh? Like a little pretty. Oh, over there look like a eucalyptus grove.
Yeah, it does.
I really like those over there too. Live oaks right here.
Look in that warehouse there, you can see how much you got there. All all the interior framing is 3D printed plastic.
Wow.
But then this is
Wow.
and all the everything, the floors are built with and he built all the rest of it like he figured out how to make it all of it.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Little sprinkles, huh?
Oh yeah.
When it was, they had a doctor. The reason was is they didn't want to ship us in.
How are you doing, sir?
It shows when we were at the Hiller and the Asian guy tried to share and all of a sudden we go to our Please don't.
I'm not.
Oh, you're filming. I'm sorry. I thought you were reaching in there. I was giving you shit. That's cool. I didn't see that it was a session.
I wasn't gonna hurt. I won't hurt your beautiful layout. I would never hurt your beautiful layout.
You know what's really cool about
What's
those?
that?
You can put those on a black card.
I have, but I don't have any more layout.
Well, if you go convince one of these guys to run for a black card for you.
Well, if they will, can they do that? Can they haul? Can they pull a flat car with my camera going around?
Actually, if you go online
Uh-huh.
and look for California Central Railroad,